Hello everyone, welcome back to Dishinabecky. Guys, I cooked this meal for my family for lunch, and I said I must share with you the recipe. So stay tuned. Let's prepare this lunch together. Welcome all, and make sure you like this video. So I have these potatoes. They are from the farm. They are dirty, but guys, we're going to wash them. Don't mind. So I'm gonna be peeling several of them, but I will only peel 5 with you guys. So make sure you stay tuned. I'm gonna be fast. So in case you haven't liked this video, make sure you like, subscribe to Dishinabecky channel. My channel is about food. I always cook food here. You can go check out my recipes. They are easy recipes for dinner, lunch, and breakfast, snacks. Make sure you go check them out, and make sure you like every time you watch. Watch even the what do you call them, the ads, to support the channel. Like, make sure you like. Also likes support the videos to get more people to watch the video. So we're going to peel only these 5, and I have the last one here, and then we start. I wash them behind the camera, and then we cut them together. Here we go. If you don't know how to cut chips, then here we go. Let me show you how to do it. Just watch, use your eyes, and then you go do yours. You go make yours. It's very easy. It's really easy to do it. For those who cook, you can attest to that. So I'm gonna be cooking all these chips because I have 4 packs in the house, so I have to make enough for everyone to be satisfied. So as you can see the way I'm cutting them, I'm trying. I know I can do better, but these potatoes, they're not the potatoes, they're not big sizes that you can cut. The best sizes for the normal chips, so I'm trying. So make sure you like the video, leave a message for me. I will appreciate, and thank you so much if you have watched until this point. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Make sure you watch till the end to support the channel. I'm sure it doesn't cost anything, but thank you so much for your time. It really means a lot to me. So I'm gonna finish cutting, then we start frying, because my oil is already on the Chipo. So let's prepare. I decided to add some flour, and then turmeric, just to add the color, and yeah, I mix to see how they're gonna come out. But it's only the first batch I'll do this. The second one I will only add turmeric. So you can try this, or you can do plain, or add turmeric, just the way you want it. Yeah, but me, I did with the flour, the all-purpose flour, wheat flour, and turmeric. So let's start deep frying them. You just leave them for just few minutes. And I also added pepper. By the way, I added also pepper. Pepper you can add when you're deep frying, or even when you finish cooking, you can add pepper just the way you like it. So we're going to mix, leave them for a few minutes, and then we start deep frying. So let's check the oil. Yeah, it's okay. So let's deep fry the first batch. Hope that's what it's called. So guys, this is Dishinabecky. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate, guys. Napenda sana sana mkiwatch my videos. So make sure you leave a message. Let me know you watched, and I'll be happy. So they are almost done. So we're going to turn them, and then we remove them. They already look yummy. And the good with our potatoes here in Kenya, most of them they get cooked very fast. So this is the last bunch that I've cooked, and here I'm going to be cooking stir-fried cabbages. Yeah, we're going to have them with the stir-fried cabbages. So this is the last batch that I told you guys I'm going to put only the turmeric. So you can see the color. That's the color of the turmeric, and the other one had turmeric. I had put what is it, wheat and wheat flour and pepper. So this one has turmeric only, so you can try either. By the way, this is the last one, not the other one. This is the last batch. So let's leave them fry on this other side. Let me make the stir-fried cabbage. So I only need onion, I have the sweet pepper, and then the cabbage, but I've cut them very nice with a very nice shape. So here you go, guys. This is the one that we have put the wheat flour. They really look nice. There you go. We really enjoyed. We're gonna put some sauce, as you know. So thank you so much for watching. This was my plate. I had there is some, what do we call it, guy, hot pepper. I'll put pepper, and I'll put also sauce. I really enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you make your own chips and the stir-fried cabbages. I have the recipe on this channel, or you just follow this one. It's really easy to make. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you guys. Blessings to you all. Bye.